Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, go for the connection and sharing, click on the printing, tap all the system print servings, and as you can see, right now our smartphone connects automatically to this HP Color LaserJet Pro printer. So right now when you want to print something, a good example, it will be on the photo, for example. Okay, let's take this one, click right here, tap on this icon, then we have to select the printer. And as you can see right now, to print, you have to click on this picture. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!